Today we're going to learn the present simple of the verb jugar. Empecemos. The first thing you need to know is that jugar, to play, belongs to the first group or primera conjugación, and it is an irregular verb. To understand the irregular verbs, it is important that you master the regular verbs first. You can check out my videos on the AR, ER, and IR regular verbs in the links below to help you out with this. And remember, even though this is an irregular verb, you still have to remove the AR from the infinitive as you would have done with a regular verb, since irregular verbs still follow the regular rules for some persons, as you will see. These are the roots of the verb jugar in the present simple. 2 are regular and the other 4 are irregular. And these are the endings that you will need to add to the root to create the present tense. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. This is why this verb is called a boot verb, because all the irregular forms fit into the boot. The stems outside the boot are regular, and the ones inside the boot are irregular. Juego, juegas, juega, jugamos, jugáis, juegan. Now let's do the present simple together. To play, jugar. I play. Yo juego. You singular play. Tú juegas. He plays. Él juega. She plays. Ella juega. You singular formal play. Usted juega. We play. Nosotros, nosotras jugamos. You plural play. Vosotros, vosotras jugáis. They play. Ellos, ellas juegan. You plural formal play. Ustedes juegan. And remember, in Spanish the personal pronoun is not necessary, as the endings tell us who is doing the action. Y ahora vamos a practicar. We are going to do 4 activities together. 2 from English into Spanish and 2 from Spanish into English. Ejercicio 1. From English into Spanish. I play. Yo juego. You singular play. Tú juegas. He plays. Él juega. She plays. Ella juega. We play. Nosotros, nosotras jugamos. You plural play. Vosotros, vosotras jugáis. They play. Ellos, ellas juegan. Ejercicio 2. You singular play. Tú juegas. He plays. Él juega. You singular formal play. Usted juega. She plays. Ella juega. They play. Ellos, ellas juegan. You plural play. Vosotros, vosotras jugáis. We play. Nosotros, nosotras jugamos. Ejercicio 3. Now from Spanish into English. Usted juega. You singular formal play. Yo juego. I play. Él juega. He plays. Ellos, ellas juegan. They play. Vosotros, vosotras jugáis. You plural play. Nosotros, nosotras jugamos. We play. Tú juegas. You singular play. Ejercicio 4. Nosotros, nosotras jugamos. We play. Ustedes juegan. You plural formal play. Yo juego. I play. Ellos, ellas juegan. They play. Él juega. He plays. Tú juegas. You singular play. Vosotros, vosotras jugáis. You plural play. Buen trabajo. Hasta la próxima clase. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.